one of the PSUs connected to railway department, they gave us 5 lakhs, very small amount. 2.5 lakhs was given. When it came to give back, further 2.5 lakhs, they said, sorry, we have given to PM Care Fund.
All of a sudden, what we are realizing because of the PM Care Fund, most of our funders, they are under either some pressure or because of their commitment towards the country, their responses towards us or their support towards us has came to 50% now.
जो हो रहा है उन बेचारे पे स्कूल ट्यूशन पढ़ा रहे हैं, बच्चों को रख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, हम पे पैसे इधर है नहीं है, कल हमारा बच्चा पढ़ रहा है, यही मदद बहुत है हमारे लिए।
Several NGOs distributed rations and helped migrant workers and those who were needy during the lockdown. But now, NGO workers are facing problem in running organizations because of major cut down in their funding.
The amount that we receive, we get from CSR, for example, has been drastically cut down. But the support that is coming to us or the support that is going to other organizations who are into deep services is actually reducing.
You're saying that it has started recently, that the amount is shrinking. What is the reason?
Well, one of the major areas has been the PM Cares, because the Prime Minister created a particular kind of funding. And I believe, I have been told and we learn about it, that more than 10,000 crores has gone to PM Cares. Suddenly government creates a program, and within that program you divert the funds.
Like PM Care.
Like PM Care. So these are wrong things to happen. The entire provision and spirit of the CSR under Companies Act 2013 has been different. It is meant for those organizations who are supposed to provide services. Our heart goes to the kind of work the Prime Minister is doing and the kind of work which is happening during these terrible pandemic COVID times. But we are also doing the same thing.
What is the percentage of reduction in your fund?
I think probably this year definitely 50%, 40 to 50% funds will not be coming to us, which probably came last year or some other years. Like if we are running 39, 40 homes across the country, in that case those homes have to be run. The children will come, the homeless will come, all kinds of people will come.
से यहाँ से चावल 3-4 बेर मिला है, तो बहुत खुशी होता था जो समानवाड़ी अभी भी मन करता है जो यहाँ पर मिलेगा। सवारी बड़े बच्चे सब परेशान है, खाने पीने वाले बच्चे सब छोटा सब है। मैडम समझती है मैडम, तो ही बुला कर चावल देते थे। वो कुछ नहीं कमाते, कभी जाता है मैंने 1 हफ्ता पर 2 हफ्ता पर कभी जाता है, तब 200-300 लाएगा तो पी खा जाता है।
पति मेरा कुछ नहीं करते हैं, पहले बहुत दिन हो गए सिलाई करते थे, तब तो हम प्रयास में काम करने लगे, तब तो उन्हें छोड़ ही दिए। सिर्फ पीना ज़्यादा करते हैं और लड़ाई दंगा है, मार तोड़ है, ये सब काम करते हैं। इसी हमारे अपनी बच्ची पे यहीं पे डाल रखा है।
मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं बड़ी होकर पढ़ लिख कर अपनी मम्मी के लिए एक अच्छा सा घर खरीदूँगी और वहाँ पे अपनी मम्मी को रखूँगी और मैं बहुत अच्छी सी जॉब करूँगी जिससे मैं अपनी मम्मी को किसी मुसीबत में ना पड़ने दूँ।
काम ढूंढने, काम मिल नहीं रहा है हमें। जब काम मिल जाए तो हम काम भी कर लेंगे।
जब काम चलता पति जा रहे हैं 2-3 दिन से, तो आ रहा खर्च चल रहा है, और किराया उसी तरह पड़ा। जब काम चलेगा तो किराया भरेंगे।
कितने बच्चे हैं आपके?
3 बच्चे हैं।
3 में से एक बच्चा यहाँ ट्यूशन के
तीनों आते हैं।
तीनों हैं
जी।
अब यहाँ पर प्रयास से कुछ उम्मीद है
हाँ,
आप-
मदद मिला हमें प्रयास से, नहीं
और
राशन
कोई
मिला।
मदद चाहते हैं आप लोग?
मदद के अगर काम हम तो चलेगा तो काम हम कर ही लेंगे, और बच्चे हमारे
नौकरी-
पढ़ रहे हैं यहाँ पे ट्यूशन, वही हमारे लिए बहुत है। जो मदद मिले वही बहुत है हमारे लिए यहाँ से।
We need to explore other areas of raising funds and resources so that we could sustain at least the ongoing program. So what we are doing that we are going back to our governing board members, and we are seeking their support, and we are reaching out to each and every individual's well-wishers, supporters in one form or other, because now every penny counts and every penny has a huge value for us.
Let us not consider that the voluntary organizations are only gap fillers. We are among the most important activities, the fourth important sector of the entire developmental process. Well, if we don't have money, then we don't expect people to work with us full time without being paid for it. And everything has a cost.
Yeah, how will you take care of so many children?
Well, it's very, very difficult. As I told you that we have suffered very seriously already in past 3, 4, 6 months. If it continues, then the voluntary sector is going to get a major setback. And the government must do something to bring about change in policy and to support them.